She was 18 and had just graduated from high school. Jeshennia Bedoya Lopez from Aurora, Ontario, had dreams of becoming a police officer. But through the pandemic, her mental health declined. And according to a new lawsuit filed by her parents, Jeshennia found a website run by Kenneth Law, where she bought poison that she took to end her life. We spoke with Leonardo Bedoya and Maria Lopez earlier this year.
Can I both ask you just to tell me about your daughter, what you want Canadians to know about her?
She was an enchanting girl. She had an infectious smile. She was a jokester, good student, good daughter, good advisor.
Her
loss has hit us very hard. We are very, very, very sad.
Their $2 million lawsuit names several defendants, and it's the first time a civil case is known to be seeking damages from that alleged poison seller. A former hotel cook at a Toronto hotel, Law is already facing criminal charges of first-degree murder and abetting suicide in connection with 14 deaths in Ontario. His lawyer appeared in court Friday, where the judge ordered Law to stand trial late next year.
He's in custody. It's not pleasant for him, as it isn't for anyone, but he's dealing with it.
In a new court filing obtained by CBC News, Ontario Crown prosecutors call this one of the largest murder cases ever charged in the province. They allege Law knew that his products were being used by individuals to commit suicide. On his now defunct website, we found an option for a 40-minute phone consultation with Law. The price? $150. In Wellington, New Zealand, Jack Plunkett lost his brother James, one of the more than 130 deaths around the world suspected of ties to Law's products.
It is a little bit upsetting that he was able to get hold of it so easily.
Now, here in Ontario, Law's criminal trial is set to begin in September 2025. His lawyer has said all along, Ian, that Law will be pleading not guilty.
And Thomas, you have new details tonight about another case that could have big repercussions for Laws.
Yeah, we've learned Ontario's Attorney General is asking the Supreme Court of Canada to hear an appeal in a separate case that could draw a clearer distinction between assisted suicide and murder. And prosecutors admit that outcome could determine whether Kenneth Law can still be charged with murder. If that portion of the case were to fall apart, Ian, I can tell you from speaking with families over the past year, many would be gutted.
Thomas Dagler reporting from Toronto.